Hello everyone and welcome guys. In this video today I will show with you how to highlight and a text or paragraph. As you can see here guys, I have this paragraph and text I want to highlight. What you can do guys, just click this option highlight, as you can see here, and select your text you want to highlight, for example this part. And as you can see here, this option you can highlight, and you have another option and you can highlight for this color, and you can click right here and you can delete, and you can you have a lot of property guys, and you can drag here as you can see, and you can write notes, and this is a great option and tools guys. You can highlight this option part as you can see here, and you can delete one as you can see. This is effective tools guys, you can help you to highlight your text. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe and like and share this video.